Unfortunately, all of the footage we took has no audio. I think our cameraman is still getting used to using the new camera, so we will cut him some slack. Ames is one of our favorite arenas to go to. We come here a lot, and our first year coming here, I did end up winning a buckle with Fergus, so that was really awesome. Unfortunately, this year we haven't made all of the races, so I don't believe we're in the standing for a buckle this year, but nonetheless, we still have a really good time, and we've made a little money this year. We've really enjoyed catching up with friends that we see at the races, and everybody just has a really good time. Stanley absolutely loves this arena. He loves the fact that it's a standard pattern and it's a nice large outdoor, so he really gets a chance to stride out and run. We've also been bringing my friend Jess and her horse to the races, and Stanley's absolutely loved having the company come along, and Jess has had a really good time. Our first run of the night is going to be the barrel run in the open.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can.
Stanley got a lot of love and a lot of treats after that run. We ran in 18.3, which was 0.2 slower than our last run, but we still kept all the barrels up, and I'm extremely happy with him. After that race, we ended up signing up for poles and running the poles.
But you belong to me, and there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free, every piece.
Unfortunately, we knocked a pole, but we did run 24 seconds, which is awesome. Stanley and I have only ran a handful of times, so I'm just super proud of him, and we had such a blast. After that, we left and we dropped Jess off with her horse at her barn first, and then took Mr. Stanley home. Stanley is always so sad to see his girlfriend go, but he's a good boy and is awesome on the trailer, so he stands like a champ while she unloads, and we're only about 5 minutes home from that point. Fergus is always so excited to see his friend come back home, and then he always likes to watch us unhook the trailer. He's such a goofball, and he's just hoping that he gets some treats. So overall, we had a really good night. We ended up placing in the 2D and brought home some money, and everyone had a great time.